Hi, Marianne popping in here. Welcome to my channel. I have my Beautylish Jeffree Star surprise box. It's not the lucky bag. We already opened that. I got this a few days ago. So it's black tissue paper. Rip it off. Oh, we got a sample. Where can I stick this thing? Okay. Oh my goodness. Propping it up. What is this? Oribe shampoo. Oribe, is that how you say it? Oribe or Oribe? Shampoo and conditioner, which I really need because I've lost so much hair. I'm 63. I'm losing a lot of hair. And I'm starting to get some gray hairs, which is, well, it's going to happen, right? It's got to happen. I don't color my hair at 63. I have gray hairs in there. If I pull it out, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just losing so much hair. I just kind of toss it all together. It's a little frizzy today. When I first stepped out at church, let's pull out the big thing first. I first went to church. It was kind of sprinkling rain, so the moisture just really. So we got the mirror. Let me see if I can open it. For the mirror box, you gotta pull the tab out. It doesn't just lift up. So you gotta pull the little tab out. And lift the thing up. Is the yellow one. Nice. I don't think I have a star mirror. And then we have, let's just put the box down here so I don't drop it. So we got everything packed up nicely here. Oh, I think I see something that I don't have. Yes, I don't have this. I wanted this the last time I got a Beautylish bag, and I think I got the, I don't remember, I think I got the Orgy. But, it's the Thirsty palette. This is one that I do not have. Let's open it up. I want to see it. I've never seen one. Oh, 63-year-old hands. I've been putting that mushroom mist from the psychedelic collection on my hands. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, so I have the Thirsty palette now. Yes. I see the other palette, which is my favorite palette. Orgy! Orgy! Orgy. My favorite palette. And then I just have 4 more items in here. Not very much. It was $75, so. What is this? This is a mood ring. Is it some kind of, oh, it's mood ring eyegloss. Eyegloss powder. Interesting. I was kind of hoping it was a mood ring. Okay. Mood ring. Where's the tape? So I wonder, what does this do? Does it change colors? Is it psychedelic? I thought it was going to be a skincare product, but it's eyegloss. Okay. He has packaging. Ooh. That is a nice color. It's a nice purpley color. Ooh. It doesn't have an applicator. I'm going to stick my pinky in there. I have old eyes, but let's just see. I'm not going anywhere tonight. Ooh. Can't really see it. I guess it's just gloss. Does it change colors when I change my mood? Oh, we'll find out. But anyway, that's subtle. I could use that on these old baggy eyes. I like the Orgy palette because the neutral colors are much better for my age. And I have dark brown eyes. I don't have much eyebrow. I used some eyebrow pencil today. I've already had lunch and everything, so I was wearing Sugar Spike. Okay, so, wait. Looks like we have 2 glosses. Okay, we have the gloss, and we have a liquid velour, which it's Liberlin. So I really like that Gemini one that I got. So I'm probably gonna like this one. This is a little more orangey. Kind of rusty orange. Let's see. I want to try the glasses on though. Oh, this is like a really rusty. Will look good with some of the colors from Thirsty or the Prick palette. Okay, so Liberlin. And then I don't know if I can read these. We have Diet Freeze and Shockwave. I think we're gonna try Shockwave over good old Liberlin. Oh yeah, we have to open it from the other side. Yes, these things cover the crown. Kind of gotta. Ooh. Okay. What can we do to Liberlin? It's kind of light. I like the ones I got from the... Yeah, that goes good with Liberlin. Kind of goes with my little peachy leaves on my shirt. I think the one that I really like was called Peach Price Tag. That's really nice. What is Diet Freeze? Is it silver? Ooh. It's like a sea green. Ooh. Goes with my shirt. that's nice. So anyways, so that's what we got. That's it, folks. So, not a bad box. I can use everything in it. So, happy about that. I did get, ooh, I'm starting to see the eyeglass. I did get, I ordered the deluxe Valentine mystery box from JeffreeStarCosmetics.com. And then on another order, I ordered, I don't remember how many, 12, just like three, maybe two or three $12 mystery treats and a couple of the six, I think two or three of the $6 mystery treats. So those are going to come in. The mystery treats are going to come separate from the mystery box. So that'll be two separate unboxings. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm just a Jeffree Star gal. I love his cosmetics. So. Yeah. We'll see you next time. It said Saturday that the Valentine mystery box shipped, but basically the label was just created. But I live in Southern California, so it doesn't take long I should get it by Tuesday. If they pick it up, if they pick it up tomorrow or Saturday, I should get it Tuesday, at least by Wednesday. But anyway, so those are coming. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned. I was playing with jewelry all day today. So I did record an hour and a half of a jewelry unboxing, but I haven't uploaded it yet. I'm uploading this one first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And give me a thumbs up, please.